Does your back handspring look like this? That was good. Does your back handspring look like this? Woo, that was crazy pants. Let's fix it. First one is a barrel. Yes, she can already do her back handspring, but this is going to help her go up and out and then into a push-up position, which will also help her with her shaping. Go. Okay, yep, see. Go up and out. Up and out. Push up. Good, just like that. That would be the first drill. Let's go on to the next drill. Take away the barrel. You're going to do a handstand to your belly. I know it seems a little scary. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt. It's fine. Stay tight. Okay, ready? So handstand to your belly. So this makes sure that you push on the ground so that your arms don't bend and your shoulders aren't wonky. This is great for that. For the third drill, you're going to do a jump back. It is just a normal jump back. I think everyone kind of knows how to do it. So arms up, big jump back, push up and out. And make sure that your feet also come up. One more time. So you go up and out, feet come up, just like that. Yay, good job. Fuzzy on the butt, fuzzy butt. If you know, you know, the fuzzies on the butt. And we cannot forget the handstand snap down. Just like this one over here, it's a big staple. Everyone does it. Handstand, tight, snap up. And the goal is to push off into a banana and make sure that your hands come up before your feet hit the ground. Now try handstand, snap, rebound up. She hasn't done this before. Woo! That form was a little crazy, but we'll work on it. For the last drill, you're going to do a back handspring to your belly. However, you will probably want to get spot on this because it can be a little tricky. Of course, there are many, many drills that you can do. However, these ones are my personal favorite. I will always recommend these drills. So then, if you are consistent, you will have a back handspring like this. Please do a good one. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Good job. High five. Yes.